Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install 7-zip for your Windows machine. So all you need to do is go over to your browser. In my case it's Chrome, but this will work for any browser, and go to the search bar and you just want to type in 7-zip just like that, and click on the 7-zip button right here, and you just want to click on this download button right here if you are on an x64 version of Windows, and click download. If you're on 32-bit Windows, there's a download right here, and if you're on 64-bit ARM, it's right here. So that's all you need to do. If we go over to the downloads right here, as you can see, the download is finished. So we can just close the browser and open up our downloads folder. So once we go into the downloads folder, right here, as you can see, we have 7Z. So we just need to double click this, and it's going to give us a security pop-up that you can't actually show on video. So you just click yes on the security pop-up, and here we have the setup. So I just want to click install and close. So yeah, that is how to download and install the 7-zip for your Windows machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.